What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol AAPL for Apple Inc. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First things first, this will, of course, be an update, and more importantly, we're going to be talking about the earnings announcement that they did release after the bell today. So let's flip on the extended hour session and see what is going on with the number, and would you look at that, a nice green move here in what seemed to be a sea of red. Where are we trading currently? 167, so just underneath that all-important level around 168. This is going to set up a very interesting open for tomorrow's session. I do want to remind you that a lot can happen between now and 9:30. Remember what happened with Microsoft. We assumed it was going to be opening on a gap down. However, it actually opened on a gap up, right? So please adjust accordingly and don't just take this video as the end-all be-all. We, of course, want to know where the forecasted opening print is, roughly right here. The forecasted overnight high, we're just going to use 168 just because that is the critical daily level that we're going to trade against anyways, given that this is so close. So knowing that information, let's take a closer look at the daily time frame. I'm just going to turn this off to eliminate distractions. Obviously, price is going to continue to wiggle around up there. So for now, if we open here, this is what I would watch out for. Any moves that do move higher into 168, I would look for any sort of pullback off of that and then really determine if we're going to break down underneath the opening print, in which case you would look for the gap to close, or if we just sort of hover up here and do something like this, maybe there's a breakout to recapture that really big flush point, right? And that would be amazing here in Apple, sort of kicking off a recapture of that level with a gap up. I mean, it's just the perfect storm gapping up over a red day here to get any of the shorts who are late to the party to start to be squeezed a little bit, and maybe that kicks off some more buying pressure. So that's what I'm really thinking about, and that's the scenario that I want to watch primarily as the bell unfolds tomorrow morning. So just to recap that, right? Opening here, something like this, acceptance of these higher prices gets these people panicked who are short late to the party. Hopefully, as they start to cover, we get some sort of move that looks like that. It's still got to be, though, a break up and over 168 before I'm interested, right? So once that level goes, that's where I start to say, okay, maybe we can lean on the gas a little bit here for a bit of a reversal and a quote-unquote squeeze. I don't say squeeze as in it's going to the moon, new all-time highs, any of that. I'm just saying that there could be some added buying pressure. That's what I've got to the upside. Obviously, if it does something like this, resists 168 back down through the open, we did talk about the gap fill scenario, and then anything underneath that, you're just looking at chop in this 4-day balance area that we've put in underneath 164.25. That's all I've got for you inside of Apple. If you enjoyed the video today or learned anything new, let me know in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description, and all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.